Next one, this is already finished. This one, 12th one, right? This 12th and 13th. See, character str of ABC, we can write like this. This is valid, okay? Without mentioning a size, without mentioning a size, we can declare a string. But in declaration, size mandatory. This is error. 12th and 13th one. Finish the next one. Next one, strings. These are called strings. 15th one, right, guys? 15th one. Difference is what? Strings and character arrays, I will tell you. Right, guys. Strings. 15th one. Character A of 10 is welcome. This is valid. Okay? Write this. 3. 15th, 16th, and 17th. 10 character size is there. We can write 10 characters. 7 characters. Remain all characters are initialized with a null character. This is the 15th one. Sixteenth one is what? Character A of 7. See, guys, 7 characters are there. We should not initialize 7 characters. We should not initialize 7 character. Okay, we need to give the space for the null character. Okay, if 7 characters are there, only we have to initialize 6 characters. We should not write 7 characters. Then this is valid, but you won't get an error. You'll get a garbage value here. This is valid. You get a answer is welcome. But 17th one, what? Character A of 5. Hello Ram. This is a 5 size. Spaces are allowed. Spaces are allowed. But error is what? Hello space Ram is 9 characters, but size is 5. That is error. Okay. Now, next question, what is the difference between character and string? Right? Next question, what is the difference between character and string? What is the difference? I will tell you. See, difference I mentioned here. Difference. What is the difference between character? This is called strings. Directly, if you mention in the double quotation, that is called string. If I mention in single colon, that is called character array. Okay, now what is the difference? What is the difference in the character array? Null character doesn't occupy any physical memory. Okay, in the string, null character occupies physical memory. That's why here you need to give the space for the null character. You are not required to give space for the null character. That is the main difference. If it is a character array, 4 characters are there, we can write 4 characters. If it is a string, don't initialize 4 character, we have to initialize 3 characters only. That is, you have to understand. Why? Because in the character array, null character doesn't occupy any space. Okay, here it occupies a space. You understood, right? Difference between character and string. If it is a character, if you write in single colon, if size is 4 characters, we can initialize. But if it is a string, we need to give the space for the null character. That is the difference. Understood? Here, null character occupies the physical memory. Here, it doesn't occupy any space in the character array. That is the main difference. Character array and string. Okay. Now I want to display a string. Okay, how to display the string? I will discuss now. Finished now? Arvind, completed? Huh? Arvind, completed? Huh? Lohit,
Space allowed in a string.
sorry.
Space is allowed in.
Space here also, see, here doesn't occupy any space. Here it occupies a space. Okay,
In between a string, can we give space?
we can give a space. See, allow space RAM we can give, but if size is 10, that is valid. Okay,
Okay,
now. But here only you declared 5, that's why it is error. We should not initialize more than 10, right?
okay, sir.
Yeah, Nitin, I will. Yeah, you can take a screenshot.